In a quiet village, whispers of a dormant volcano stirred fear. Legends spoke of a mystical guardian, protecting the land from fiery doom. One night, the ground trembled, and villagers gathered, eyes wide with terror. Suddenly, a luminous figure emerged from the crater, calming the Earth's fury. The volcano, instead of erupting, released a cascade of vibrant flowers. Awestruck, the villagers realized the guardian was real, a protector of nature's balance. The twist? The flowers contained seeds of rare plants, ensuring the village's prosperity. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.